So I played it cool and asked you your name, because if I held a place in your heart, I would be the envy of all the men in your town. They would wanna be me, thankful each and every day. You are the blessing I love and appreciate. Life would be so perfect with you. Oh yes, my life would be so perfect with you. The conversation tells we're alive. It's easy to confide our thoughts and our feelings. Your look was what caught my eyes, but your real beauty lies deep inside. Because if I held a place in your heart, I would be the envy of all the men in your town. They would wanna be me, thankful each and every day. You are the blessing I love and appreciate. Life would be so perfect with you. Oh yes, my life would be so perfect with you. It's hard for me to believe that you are here with me and we are together. Your look was what caught my eyes, but your real beauty lies deep inside forever and ever. If I held a place in your heart, I would be the envy of all the men in your town. They would wanna be me, thankful each and every day. You are the blessing I love and appreciate. Life would be so perfect with you. Oh yeah, my life would be so perfect with you. Oh yes, my life would be so perfect.